Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best engine sludge remover in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best engine sludge remover that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the STP High Mileage Engine Flush Formula. STP High Mileage is one of the most highly reviewed products in the market. It's famous for many reasons, one of them being its capability to increase mileage up to a significant amount. Also, this product has many interesting facts, such as its revolutionary composition that allows you to efficiently clean your engine's depths. This product can remove the hardest of stains without any restrictions. Moreover, this product is designed to improve vehicles' mileage for over 75,000 miles, as it will enhance greater oil flow and allow the engine to burn only the necessary amount of fuel. This product can prevent oil wastage at greater efficiency by improving the airflow and removing any clog on engine components. It can improve that feature and build upon it. Additionally, the cleaning agents are highly concentrated, which allows the agents to remove the hardest of sludge and any other waste deposits due to combustion. It will break down the stain components and will enable them to pass through the ventilation. On top of removing such components, this product can prevent it from happening again, keeping the pathway lubricated and actively working to increase performance. Moving on at number 4, we have the Gunk FEB1 Foamy. This product is widely famous for its various advantages. People who love assurance and high-quality performance no matter the condition always lean towards Gunk Sludge Remover. Moreover, this product is one of the most efficient and easy-to-use sludge remover that everyone loves. The simplicity of its usage makes it the right choice for people of all categories. Due to its foamy composition, it makes the right choice for removing even the deepest of contaminants. It dissolves the oil components and removes any unwanted material from your engine pathways and surface that keeps your engine cool. As we all know, it is vital for the engine not to overheat, since that will cause the engine to lose its integrity. This product will help you keep your engine healthy and last longer while looking better. Also, it requires no scrubbing or brushing to be fully effective. You need to let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, and it will remove any sludge, oil stain, or blockage without any issues at all. You will see noteworthy results that will make you love the simplicity and efficiency of this fantastic product. Additionally, it has a spray-on function that won't require any extra work. At number 3, we have the Marvel Mystery Oil MM12R. One of the best engine sludge remover on this list is Marvel Mystery Oil. They have been around for a long time, providing top-tier vehicle maintenance that hasn't lost its quality even after so long. This item is one of the most affordable and effective flushes for your engine, and within minutes you will notice better and smoother performance. Therefore, it will lubricate and improve the movement of the actuators. Moreover, one of the fantastic things about this product is its capability to reduce the sounds produced at startup and allow your car to operate more quietly. This function happens through the lubrication of the valves and pipeline. Additionally, it will prevent varnish and gum buildup. These cause the pathway to be more restricted while the airflow is inefficient. These issues can cause overheating of the engine. With time, the engine loses some of its flexibility, and due to continuous combustion, the pipeline and pistons may wear off quickly. The Marvel Mystery Engine Flush will work to restore the quality of the parts. Gradually, all these advantages will work together to improve your vehicle's performance and fuel economy, since this product will reduce unnecessary combustion. At number 2, we have the Chevron Techron. Your engine's deposits are one of the core reasons behind your vehicle not giving you enough performance or mileage. These gunk and sludges make the engine overwork, while the fuel consumption is high. Therefore, the Chevron Techron is terrific at making your vehicle perform much better. and it will restore the lost power and performance caused by it. It will work in every corner and pipelines throughout the exhaust system. This product reaches the fueling system and cleans the fuel injectors, valves, and pistons. These are also lubricated adequately with the product. Therefore, the parts will not have any restrictions considering functionality. The pistons and valves will work more efficiently due to the high lubrication. That will create more efficient combustion, allowing the engine to work faster and not lose any performance. It is essential to best engine flush cleaner every 3,000 miles because gradual usage will cause the gunk and residue to build up in the passageway, which blocks airflow and overheats the engine. And finally, at number 1, we have the Seafoam SF16 motor treatment. This situation is where the Seafoam motor treatment cleans the injectors, carb jets, and passageways. Why are these important? Well, there are several advantages, and it's not just about cleaning. Sludge and several other waste deposits will degrade your vehicle's performance over time and cause your engine parts wearing. These are harmful in many scenarios. Also, they might even wholly render some features useless. So, this fantastic product will clean that right out and help you manage your vehicle's health in the best way possible. Moreover, it is capable of clearing out fuel residue in fueling systems. This product will break down the deposits and dissolve them so that they can be filtered out. Therefore, it will reach every corner of your engine and clear out anything that might restrict it. Additionally, the product is pure petroleum so that it won't cause any corrosion from within the engine, and it will lubricate it with excellent efficiency for further functionality.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.